Hi guys, my name is Krish and welcome to my channel Krrish&Abhi, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper cloth. So let's get started. So we will need a paper. At the end of the video, if you want, you can color your paper, but I'm okay. So let's get started. So first we're gonna keep our paper vertical. We're going to fold it like this, but don't cut this part out because we don't need a square piece of paper. Now we're gonna take this point all the way to this point. You're going to have to make it look like a house. So when you're done making your paper look like a house, so now we're gonna take this corner and fold it out to this line, as well on the other side because you want both of the sides of your paper cloth to be the same. And now you're gonna fold this this corner to here, so it's like this. And then you're gonna fold it in half, but first make sure the fold is perfect. Now you're gonna fold it in half. And then you're going to unfold it. Now take this side and then take it to this fold. Now flip it over like this, and then you can see that there's a little pocket in here. So then you're going to have this little pocket. So you're gonna take this whole kind of triangle into this pocket. Then there's a little pocket here for you to put your finger, and now you're done. Ooh. So I hope you like my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And how cool is it going to be to make a paper boat? For the next video, I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat. Thanks for watching. Bye.